Manhattan, around the USS Intrepid, which is sort of Midtown, a little bit above Midtown, if you know that area at all. And the plane is still floating. No sign we can see right now of anybody in the water, but earlier there were images of people standing on the wings of that plane. Again, we don't know how many people were on board, but if it's a commuter plane, it can hold in the neighborhood of 65 to 75 people. Police helicopters are flying overhead. A lot of emergency rescue personnel are on the scene. Again, Flight 1549 LaGuardia to Charlotte, operated by U.S. Airways, or a subsidiary of U.S. Airways, and all this is confirmed by the FAA, has gone into the water, the Hudson River on the west side of Manhattan. We don't know the condition of those on board. No fire, thankfully, and apparently the fuselage is fairly intact.
Oh, airliner crashes into Hudson
Most,
River.
if not everyone,
Just wish him
going to
mukati
get out okay. We'll keep our close eye on that. That's all the information I have right now. Meanwhile, 10 minutes from now, of course, stocks are going to close for the day, and what a sell-off. They did manage